Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is MNT Coin, and in this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart, so let us draw the trend lines. You can see this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so previously you can see candles went to this resistance level and then continuously the fall happened. Okay, so you can see this is the support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. Okay, so you can see that very clearly, and continuously the candles have fallen and now it has come down to the support level. Okay, and from here if the breakout happens, then candles may start moving in a upward direction. So if you go to the weekly chart also, you can see currently you can see candles are moving near to the support level only, and if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the resistance trend line and this is the support. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. Okay, and if you go to daily chart also, you can see like candles are moving in this channel pattern, and this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So previously after the fall the candles came down to support and then it has gone up again. You can see continuously the candles are falling. Okay, so if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place, and you can see that after this candles went to the resistance level, continuously fall happened. Here little breakout happened and then candle started falling. Okay, so if you draw the trend line here, you can see this is the support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So candles may come down to the support. Okay, so like this it may fall to the support, and once the breakout happens then candles may move to this resistance level, which is around 0.63317, and then fall may take place. So like this it may move in this channel pattern, and finally after the breakout it may start moving in a upward direction towards this resistance level. Okay, so this resistance is around 0.88453, and then again the fall may take place. So previously you can see candles went up to the resistance level. Okay, and then continuously the fall started, so candles are falling continuously in this downtrend channel pattern. Okay, after the breakout you may see candles may move to this resistance level. So if you go to weekly chart also, you can see after the breakout candles may move in this channel pattern, and in case if it gives a breakout from this channel pattern, then candles may start moving towards this resistance level and then fall may take place. So now we'll talk about other important details about this cryptocurrency. Like you can see current price is $0.6309. it is down by 1.72%. rank is around 36 position. Around 110k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is 2.08 billion. Volume in 24 hours is 25.73 billion, and total supply is 6.21 billion, and maximum supply is 6.21 billion. Okay, and now go to the chart. So make sure to have a stop loss. Okay, so suppose after the fall if there is a breakout happens, and if you have open position here, you should have a stop loss. So wait for a confirmation. After the breakout candles may give a breakout, and then after retracement then candles may start moving in upward direction. So if you have open position, you should have a stop loss below the. So if the price goes up you make profit, if it reverses you can exit with the help of the stop loss. Okay, so always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. That is very, very important. Okay, so here also you can see continuously the candles were falling, and then after the breakout you can see candles went up, that little fall happened, and if you have open position here, then you can see when the price goes up you make profit. You should have a stop loss. If the price goes up you make profit. In case if it reverses you can exit with the help of the stop loss. So stop loss is very, very important to prevent any major losses. That is very, very important. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you and have a nice day.